Hello everybody, here's a new video. I've got this diskless 286 machine. I want to give it a little more memory. At the moment it has not much. Let's see. Let's power it on. Just 1 MB. I want to try and give it a little more. Online. According to the manual, it's 80 or 100, like you see here, or 120 to 100. So I looked into my stash of memory. I found some memory sticks, and I try to put them in and see what happens. So this is the computer. I found some memory sticks. These 4 are 100 nanoseconds. The others are way faster. Should work, but to be sure, I take the 100 nanoseconds. Now let's open the computer. First, remove the power. Oh, I'll be back when the computer is open. So the machine is open. It has some memory over here. To have a little more space, I remove this hardnet card. Now let's carefully remove the memory sticks. So I unclipped every module. It's the next one, solo plastic. Let's see. I don't know if the camera gets it. It's okay. On 100 nanoseconds. Let's replace them. So all the memory is in the machine, and let's power it on again. Let's see what the machine is thinking it has. The machine is booting. That's nice, but it still thinks it's only 1 MB. Oh, focus. Camera is not focusing. It's 1 MB. So we have to move some switches. But I'm seeing 1024 KB. Okay, so it's still not everything. Oh, let's look in the manual. It's stating switch 1, 2 and 3 are for the memory. We're having this configuration, I think. So switch 3 should be on. So I move the camera to dip switch and let's see how the settings are. Not like the manual, so I have to check if there's another part of the manual. One moment. Oh, I moved a little bit through the manual. Don't know if it's the same as the other one, but this one is the setting it is at the moment. I have to switch it to this setting at the end, where you can see on and number 3 off. So I'll change it. One moment. It's moving beyond the 1 MB. Now it sees 2. Okay, I'll try and see if I can find the right settings, and I'll be back. I think I found the settings. Switch 1 on, switch 2 off, 3 off, and 4 on. Let's try and boot. Let's see what is happening. $4096, and that's all the memory counted. Let's put on a keyboard. Let's see. I don't know if the BIOS has some features for testing the memory. Let's push the del button. Okay, D8, keyboard video. Oh, no option to test the memory. So I have to boot into something and then try running a test. One moment. Place. Let's try and boot it and see if it can reach the network. It's powering on, it's counting the memory. It's going up to 4096. So it's seeing every memory on the motherboard. It's complaining about the empty CMOS battery, but that one is soldered on the main board. So I have to unsolder it or leave it like this. It's working, it's only complaining during boot. So this was it for right now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.